Greetings to all. I, Jasdeep Kaur, Assistant Professor, School of Law, welcome you all to Lovely Professional University, where dreams are nurtured and destinies are shaped. Are you fascinated by the world of law and justice? Do you dream of defending the innocent, fighting for what's right, or advising global corporations on complex legal matters? If yes, then you are in the right place. At the heart of this vibrant academic ecosystem lies a powerhouse of legal education, the School of Law. Today, I am taking you on an exclusive journey through the law department at Lovely Professional University, one of India's most dynamic and forward-thinking law schools. At Lovely Professional University, we don't just teach law, but we inspire a generation of legal visionaries. If you are passionate about justice, advocacy, and making a real difference in society, then a career in law might be your calling. It's more than just a gateway to legal education. It's your launchpad into a dynamic career in law, justice, and public service. At the School of Law, we believe that legal education must go beyond textbooks. It must empower minds to think critically, speak loudly, and act justly. At LPU, our legal curriculum is industry-oriented, interdisciplinary, and designated to meet global standards. From constitutional law, criminal law, to AI and cyber law, our standards explore every frontier of justice. Through national level moot court competition, real-time internships, and legal aid projects, our students don't just learn law, they practice it. LPU offers a range of law programs like BA LLB, BB LLB, LLB, LLM, PhD in law. The curriculum is meticulously designed to blend theoretical knowledge with practical skills. At LPU, learning goes far beyond textbooks. Moot court competitions help you hone advocacy skills in a simulated courtroom environment. Legal aid clinics helps you to gain hands-on experience by providing legal assistance to real clients under expert supervision. Court visits by students helps to observe live cases and proceedings. Workshops and guest lectures by eminent judges, senior advocates, and industry leaders regularly develop insights and career guidance. LPU's law department emphasizes research from day one. The university also hosts national and international conferences, such as National Conference on Cyber Law, giving students exposure to cutting-edge legal developments. With global tie-ups, research collaborations, and placement support, LPU's School of Law nurtures legal minds that can make an impact anywhere in the world. Be it judiciary, civil services, litigation, policy making, or corporate law, LPU ensures that you find your perfect launchpad. So what are you waiting for? Come and join thousands of legal aspirants who are making their mark with LPU School of Law. Your journey to legal excellence starts here at Lovely Professional University School of Law. Apply today and become the voice of justice tomorrow. Thank you.